letter word refers to a given title to Jesus, symbolizing the sacrificial nature of his mission, blank of God. Okay, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Okay.
Yun.
We're done. Yes, correct.
May nanalo na.
Yes. 1 point for Sister
Lan.
Okay. Okay, next question. Which four-letter word refers to a disciple of Jesus who is often portrayed as the beloved? 20?
Ano daw?
15? 18? 16? 15?
May counting, oh.
Yes! Sorry. 1 point each. Okay.
Siya.
Bawal mo magtulakan, ha?